Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about respiration in humans. Now respiration, that is taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Taking in oxygen is called inhalation and giving out carbon dioxide is called exhalation or expiration. Now there are two processes takes place in respiration, that is inhalation, that is also called the inspiration, and exhalation, that is expiration. Now respiration is external and internal also. In external, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. But in internal, what is done? The glucose reacts with oxygen to give carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now decomposition of glucose takes place in internal respiration, while in external, that is inspiration or expiration, is done in respiration process. Now there are two organs that helps the respiration process, that is diaphragm and rib cage. You know that rib cage, inside the rib cage, lungs are protected, and in lower part there is the muscular part present which separates the cage with from abdominal cavity. There is the abdominal cavity in which abdomen, that is stomach, is present, and this is separated by chest by diaphragm. Diaphragm is, what is diaphragm? That is, it is the muscular part which separates the chest cavity from abdominal cavity. Understand? Now when muscles inside the rib cage contracts, then what is done? Then diaphragm goes down and lungs is expanded. In this case, what is the air pressure inside the lungs is lowered and the air pressure outside in the surrounding is higher. Then there is rushing of oxygen from outside to inside, that is into the lungs. Then oxygen comes in our bronchi. Bronchi is the structure present in our lungs, which is attached with air sacs, that is called alveoli. Then oxygen is gone into bronchi and in air sacs. Air sacs is surrounded with blood vessels. Now oxygen is taken by blood vessels and carbon dioxide is given out from the blood vessels. Now when diaphragm becomes upper, then what happens? Lungs contract and there is relaxation of muscles in the chest. Then lungs contract and air pressure inside the lungs is higher than the outside, then carbon dioxide is given out. Now thus inhalation and exhalation takes place. Understand? Now breathing rate. Number of breaths per minute is called breathing rate. One breath, that is one inhalation and one exhalation. Now this rate in adult or in bigger animals it is lower, while in a smaller organism or in baby it is higher. That is 12 to 20 times breathing rate is in adult, 40 times in baby, and in rat 60 times and 12 times in horse. Now the bigger animals, it is lower and in a smaller animal it is higher rate. Now it is the breathing rate. Now you have understood that what is inspiration and what is exhalation. Understand?